Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. How has been your days? You can silence all your enemy with only one candle. With only one candle, you can silence all your enemy. How can this be? What you are going to do is to get one candle. One candle. When you get that one candle, please, before you continue, please, I want you to subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe. Please, I'm begging you, just subscribe to this channel so that this channel will grow, or share it to your friend and family and tell them to subscribe. Silence your enemy completely. Who are the enemies? Enemies are those people that are bad in nature. They are not happy to anyone making it or progressing in life. They are not happy to people making it or giving testimony. They don't want you to give testimony. They are like close friends. They are very close to you, but they always wish you bad all the time. They wish people bad. They don't want good things to happen to anyone. Immediately you have one testimony or the other and share with them, they will become more angry. They will just merely look at the things that you really appreciate so much that they should be happy. They will just use their mouth to commonize it as if nothing special. These are the people that are called enemy. So these are the people we are talking about. When you have seen them, you will see them around you. They are there. They may appear as friends. They are around you. And what you can do to diss them and to keep their mouth quiet forever is that one testimony that will silence them forever. One testimony that they will not be able to resist. They will bow down for you and say, yes, your God is the God that we are going to be serving right now. Your God is the God that we have tested from every angle and we have been failing. They will use their mouth to confess that they are just meeting you there. Anytime they want to act or they want to do any evil against you, they are meeting your God ahead of them. This is the testimony I want for you. And if you want to receive this testimony and diss your enemy and silence them forever, get one candle, one white candle. This candle, you are not going to burn it. And people say, yeah, I will burn the candle. No, you are only going to burn the candle. Now you are going to get thread, black thread. When you get the black thread, you are going to use it. You twist it. You twist it around the candle. Round the candle. Twist it very well. Round the candle and spread it. Just like that. Round the candle and hold it. And when you want to do this, do it at middle of the night, like 12 to 1 a.m. When you wake up around 12 to 1 a.m. and begin to pray. Begin to pray towards the candle. Just pray. And these are your prayer points. The Lord Almighty, as I'm going to bury this candle right now, all my enemies, all the enemy of my life, all the enemy of my children, all the enemy that don't want me to progress, that don't want me to give testimony, all the enemy that always backbite, all the enemy that always stand against me, Lord Almighty, I silence them in the name of Jesus. Prayer point I'm giving you are the one that will continue that prayer point. When you continue to pray that prayer point, pray around 12 o'clock, start the prayer to 1 o'clock in the middle of the night. Pray that prayer for complete 1 hour. Bury your enemy for life. You will see, enemy will not be able to stand up against you. They will be seeing you. They will not be able to touch you and your children. They will be seeing you. They will not be able to cause problem for you. They will be seeing you. They are not going to have any power of manipulation over you. They will be seeing you. They will not be able to come close to you. They will be seeing you. They will be far away from you. Far away from you, because the testimony you are carrying has dazed them, has kept them short, and they will never come to you again in the name of Jesus. That's all. Then in the following morning, go and quickly bury that candle. Don't burn it. Go and look for a place. Just dig a ground and bury the candle like that. Don't worry. Don't forget that we have already put thread, black thread around the candle. Then bury it like that and just bury it. Put the sand on it and bury it. That's all. That is all. It's not working. If you want to doubt it that it's not working, please don't even do it at all. Because I'm telling you that doubting Thomas cannot enjoy everything I'm giving out in this channel. Doubting Thomas can never enjoy whatever God laid in my heart and what I have seen to teach you on this channel. Doubting Thomas can never achieve that. But if you are not doubting, if you want to put it in practice, just put it in practice and you see testimony. Put it in practice first. I am Coach Fat Joe. That is my name. That's the name of this channel. Please put it in practice. Chat me up. Send me a message on my WhatsApp. You will see that testimony will be your portion. You will give testimony. You will laugh. You will not cry. Fún gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n ní ọ̀tá tó le, alénimádẹ̀yìn, ọ̀tá abiṣẹ́, ọ̀tá ilé nìní tó ń ṣe ilé nìní sí ẹ, tí wọ́n ń ṣe nǹkan rere tó bá ti sọ nǹkan rere sí wọn báyìí, wọ́n máa fojú wò pé kí ló ṣe, rọ́ndọ̀rọ̀dọ̀ wo ló ṣe, ìwọ má worry, fọkànbalẹ̀. Ohun tó máa ṣe ó simple gan. Get a candle, white candle ní kó wá. Kó wá wọ̀ òwú dúdú, kó wé mọ́. wémọ́ lára báyìí, òwú dúdú. Àwọn tailor wọ́n máa ní àwọn òwú yẹn, àwọn thread black yẹn. Kó o wémọ́, tó bá ti wémọ́ tó ti wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀, then wà wá hold ẹ̀, tó bá ti di aago 12 sí aago 1 ló máa ṣe iṣẹ́ tí mò ń sọ yìí. Jí lóru, kó o bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń sọ̀rọ̀ àṣẹ sí wípé Olúwa, gbogbo àwọn ọ̀tá mi ó yá gbé wọn rì, ó yá gbé wọn mì, ilẹ̀ gbé wọn mì, Ọlọ́run pa wọ́n lẹ́nu mọ́. Tó bá ti sọ eléyìí tó ti gbàdúrà, I'm giving you the prayer point. God will lead you to every prayer point you want to pray. Lọ́jọ́ náà, ó ní gbogbo agbára wọn wọlẹ̀, gbogbo agbára wọn dópin. Tó bá ti ṣe tán láàárọ̀ ọjọ́ kejì very early bí around 6 tó bá ti jí, lọ rì í mọ́lẹ̀, tó gbẹ́ ilẹ̀ kó rì í mọ́lẹ̀, ó ti tán, ó ti tán. Gbogbo àwọn ọ̀tá tó ń yọjú sí ẹ, gbogbo àwọn ọ̀tá tó ń ṣe nínú bí ní sí ẹ, gbogbo pátá lọ́lọ́run ó palẹ̀ nù mọ́. Ìwọ gan ó sì rí, wọ́n jẹ́rìí sí wípé Ọlọ́run rẹ làwọn máa sìn. Wọ́n máa rí testimony tó Ọlọ́run gbé ka iwájú rẹ̀, tí wọ́n gan rí pé testimony ká màmá, ẹnu wọn á dákẹ́, wọn ò ní lè rojọ́ rẹ̀ káàkiri láìda. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni yóò rí. Tó bá ti gbàgbọ́, má gbàgbé láti subscribe to channel, subscribe to my channel, just press the subscribe button, share with friends and family, take care of yourself, bye bye for now.